Guy, and welcome to my channel. I'm based in the English Lake District, which is in the northwest of the UK. It's a beautiful part of the world, lots of lakes and mountains, and my channel really is to show you the work that I do. I specialise in soft washing the outside of buildings, and I'd like to show you what I do, but also to showcase the area that I work in. So I hope you enjoy. So I'm at Staveley, which is just outside Kendal, to clean the outside walls of a farmhouse. The farmhouse was actually knocked down and then rebuilt about 2 years ago, and they've had K-Rend put on the outside, which has started to stain. So I'll just show you around what we've got to do. So up on that gable, and then you can see that although this is only 2 years old, it's starting to show quite a lot of staining down the bottom, green algae. So I came about a week ago and did a test patch actually in this middle bit here, clean that up, and I'm going to clean the outside this. This is where we are. So it's a working farm. They've got 500 sheep, I said, and in the next couple of weeks those 500 sheep will be giving birth to roughly 2 lambs each. So they've got expected about 1,500 sheep altogether. So quite a busy farm. So anyway, we'll see how we get on today. So this is the finished job. The walls will continue to improve as they fully dry out over the next week or so. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please press subscribe and press the like button.